Are there any secret details in E3 Nintendo Direct game reveals? Imagine sitting in front of your screen, eagerly awaiting the latest updates from Nintendo during the Electronic Entertainment Expo. As the presentation unfolds, viewers often wonder if hidden messages or undisclosed features are tucked away within the announcements. The question arises, are there secret details concealed in the game reveals presented during Nintendo's direct broadcasts at E3? Throughout recent years, Nintendo has been known for its strategic approach to revealing new titles and updates. While the official presentations focus on showcasing gameplay, trailers, and releases dates, there are occasional hints or subtle clues that can spark curiosity among attentive viewers. For example, during the Nintendo Direct at E3 in 2021, some fans speculated about potential upcoming projects based on cryptic imagery or background details in trailers. However, these are often deliberate teasers rather than confirmed secrets. In some instances, developers or Nintendo representatives have included Easter eggs or subtle references within trailers that hint at future content. These can include visual cues, such as a specific item appearing briefly or background elements that resemble other Nintendo franchises. For example, in the 2020-21 Nintendo Direct, a brief shot of a character silhouette led fans to speculate about a new installment in a popular series. Yet, these are not confirmed as secret details but, rather, intentional teasers designed to generate excitement. Another aspect to consider is the presence of data mining and code analysis by dedicated fans and industry insiders. After Nintendo releases trailers or game updates, some enthusiasts analyze the files for hidden data or unused assets. Occasionally, this reveals unused characters, levels, or features that were not part of the official announcement. However, these are not officially confirmed and are often considered speculative. In conclusion, while Nintendo's presentations at E3 may contain subtle hints or Easter eggs, there is no concrete evidence of secret details intentionally concealed within the game reveals. Most of what viewers interpret as hidden information are either deliberate teasers or findings from data analysis, rather than undisclosed surprises officially kept secret. Fans can enjoy the excitement of uncovering these clues but should remain aware that official disclosures are typically straightforward and transparent.